class. So here we are getting ready for this unit's tech tip. What I want to talk about today is I want to spend some time talking about bookmarks and how you can successfully use bookmarks. As you jump into your research project, keeping all of your resources and their digital locations organized will be really critical to your efficiency. So some of you probably already use bookmarks in your browser. And if you're using a different browser, I'm going to teach you how to use bookmarks in Chrome. But most browsers have a bookmark function and tool. And so you could, watch some videos for your particular browser if you're using a browser other than Chrome. But here we go. So for Chrome, as you can see up here, I have all of my bookmarks. And this is my landing page. When I open a new tab, this is what it looks like. You can see I'm logged into Chrome. I'm logged into my browser with my account. And I am going to show you how to add a bookmark and to organize your bookmark. So right here, you can see I have kids school. I've been doing a lot of extra work with my 3 kids academically. And so I often will come across stuff that I might want to add and come up and, return to later and to do it quickly. So what that's going to require is I'm going to need to add a bookmark. So there's a site that I've been using a little bit, and it's called Teachers Pay Teachers. And this site is just a site that has handouts and assignments that teachers create, and then for $1, $2, they'll sell these assignments to parents or teachers. So I click here and I go to Teachers Pay Teachers, and here are all of these various sources, and I can search through and select by grade. You get the idea. But let's say that I would like to bookmark this. So in Chrome, you go up to this little star right here, and it says bookmark this tab. So I'm going to click on that. And then, oh, look at that. It already puts me in kids school. Sometimes it'll auto-file these pretty well. Sometimes you might need to change your folder. And so here, I don't want this big, long name. I'm just going to say Teachers Pay Teachers. And I hit done. And now you can see on this particular tab, the way my settings are, because I'm on an active site doing something, I don't have my bookmark show up. This is just my own personal preference. You can change this, and I'll show you how in a moment, so that your bookmarks always show up, that your bookmarks never show up, that you actually have to manually go over here. Or the way I have it is if I open a new tab, all of my bookmarks show up right up here. And so let's say I don't like this organization. I want to consolidate some of these. I can go over here and I go to bookmarks, and you can see I have all these bookmarks over here, but I can also go to Bookmark Manager. And then once I'm in Bookmark Manager, you can look through here, and these are all of my different bookmarks. I can go in and I can click this, and let's say I want to rename Kids School. I can rename it. I can delete it. I can open all of the tabs in there. So let's say you have a bookmark that's called School. I have one here called FECC, and I want all of those are my working tabs. And I want all 8 of those tabs open every time I'm like, okay, I'm going to do schoolwork. And I come in here and I click. You can have folders where that happens to be the case. So what this will do is this will increase your efficiency. If you find a research article or maybe a website that you're not sure if you're going to use, but it might be useful, it might be interesting down the road, then you can jump in, you can bookmark it, create a research, writing 101 research paper, bookmark folder. When you're done with the class, you can go in and delete that folder, and or you can choose to keep it as just a function for your productivity. So when you're in here, you can also go up to here, and you've got different settings. And so you get to really customize your efficiency factor. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I strongly encourage you to start using your bookmarks.